Welcome to day 51 of Claude Coding Challenge. Want to build your own AI startup but don't know where to start? Step 1. Copy the prompt provided in today's challenge and paste it into Claude AI. This prompt turns Claude into your co-founder, product mentor, and technical lead. Step 2. Answer the questions. Claude will ask you one question at a time. It will ask about your project idea, your interests and skills, your coding experience, daily time availability, and your project goals. Answer each question honestly so Claude can recommend the best project that you can realistically complete in 10 days. Step 3. Claude won't just accept every idea. It will challenge your choices, reduce unnecessary features, and help you avoid scope creep, ensuring your project is practical and achievable. Step 4. Claude generates everything you need: product requirements document, PRD, 10-day implementation blueprint, professional pitch deck. All files are ready to download and use. Subscribe for next of Claude Coding Challenge.